What's up, Houston family? It's John Batiste, your favorite DeWalt trade specialist. I'm here at United Tool and Fastener, and I'm here to show you the new DeWalt 2.0 light storage box. Pretty nifty, isn't it? Let's talk about that. It was able to attach to the other boxes. That's because it's a part of our 2.0 Tough System storage solution, where you can store multiple tools, you can store bits, and it's all stackable and convenient for you. That way you can keep everything in one spot on a job site or in your trailers or trucks. Now let's get into the tool. It's 2-in-1 versatile. So not only is it a light, it's also a storage bin, so you can store also tools and valuable batteries, and also valuable bits or spools or anything that you need to store to keep it stored away and tucked safe. It's an extremely bright light. When both heads are activated, the lumens increase to up to 4,000 lumens. And not to mention, it's also battery powered, and you can use it on an AC cord on a job site for multiple versatility options. So let's say you don't have any batteries, you only have cords, or let's say you only have cords and don't have any batteries. You can use it either way. So I'm gonna demo it for you guys real quick, but I do have to warn you, you might want to wear your sunglasses. This is the DeWalt 2.0 Tough System light box, and you can find it here at United Tool and Fastener.